Action.
Hello. Hey, everybody, I'm going to Holiday Inn. My bag's already packed.
And where are you?
I'm right here at the truck stop.
Truck stop?
Stop.
In Valdosta?
In Valdosta.
Is this Valdosta, Georgia truck stop?
Yeah.
What you doing?
I'm right here having fun with all my toys.
Oh, where'd you get that?
McDonald's.
Oh, show me how it works.
No, I just put mine together already.
How did you put it together? Can you show us?
Yeah. Look, let me show you.
Okay, thank you.
Look, if you do this, guys, look, you do this, pick this up, put this on here, and put this on here. Do you see this thing right here?
Yeah.
This is the bottom of the foot when he's doing it. There you go.
Wow.
It's some like Holiday Inn credit cards. There are like 3 of them last time we took it.
You going to go to Holiday Inn?
Yeah, but all these friends cards.
All right. So I guess we'll see you on the next stop.
Yeah.
Where's your next stop gonna be?
Holiday Inn.
Holiday Inn. Say bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.